Sidana la hona isido no sasana the retona the naesus and nido la rota sonata the goddess of the husu who the harakuna hishuro hola hola no so Laura ho the Laura so hold on on him hold the hola yako the on lo don't he hold on here the song no that to no ho no to the sonata hona Westerns Galacticon speak. Not you could think. I am. You call double-edged swords. As double-edged swords means galactic. From Tetra to a voice in the world. Women, lathi sa haudaho kunara. I am. Tete. Lama Sebastians. For my Eli and my Sebastianis. Tete means a little sister yet older in thinking. You called wisdom. Women, do you see every wording I keep putting in here? As I says, every word has its meaning. Every ABC has its attached. You won't know but I, through my pop. Women, I am you cold word that made flesh. And every word has its meaning from tetragramma. I am maton from tetragrammaton. And no one can go there. You know? Nobody can go there except Mat. You called Jesus. GXUS. I am He. I was Him. You called Holy Spirits. As the dove and every throughout incarnations. The body was my puppets. To be as sufferings you called living. Women, this is the meaning of the bride. You know? B means beloved. I am Sundo. You called come. And every meaning has its symbols. Only I knew through my papa. Women, I don't like it when you are waging war against me. Because if you are just right in front of me, I'll kick you. Disrespecting me throughout. Women, they hated me when I was GSUS because I was temperamental. So this end. You know? I'm temperamental because you keep calling me nuts. EVIL. When you are the EVIL, you called live. Live yet you are not living. Why you are not living? You are not a spirit you called holy. You know? You are not a Holy Spirit to call yourself living. Because Holy Spirit means living. You know? You make yourself believe of your own lies, calling yourself spirit when you have none. Dilahara, women. You know what the meaning of spirits? Dying and come back to life. You have none of that, women, to call yourselves one. You are not ashamed at all of what you are doing. You have not worked and
all you take is from my Bible and what you call Vision. Women. Vision means the woman. Come, look into my eyes and learn my deep secret. Go find who that is. Because he says that. And it's stated in thy books. You know? This is why I said to you, make sure you know what you're talking about. Because every word that comes from your mouth, I know. You cannot even distinguish of your words, nor explains them. You know? Women, those who has my seal, you called knowledge, they have gone through my gates. But you have no knowledge. You know, knowledge means those who has from your studied, not your literal studied, you call physical studies, but spiritual studies is the knowledge that no one can take from you, humans. But your knowledge from your so-called physical, which you are taught from one to the other, is false. Because you only learn that through by your studying and not spiritual study. This is why I said to you, when you call yourselves the near-death experience, I knew. When you called yourself Padmanabhaswami, I knew. When you called yourself concerns, I knew. When you called yourself this and that, I knew. Because every word of what you say has its meanings. To me, that sees it all. You know? Women, I am the giver. Because my love is eternal. And this is not what you don't get. When you said to me you love me, I loved you as Dilara. What a lie. Women, I knew you are lying when you say that you love me. Because I don't feel it. As I am eternal. You know? Eternal means not just comes from your mouth, but through your souls and spirits. I am MOLE. As that is the meaning of love. You know, women? So don't keep telling me your lies, because the more you lies, the more you burn your bonfires in the fire places. You know, women? Every time you lie to me, you keep burning more firewoods of your parts. As I am ashes from the fireplaces, a grate of heart at the base of thy chimneys. You understand, women? The more you lies, the more you become a bonfire of your own firewoods. Dara suhu tagtatu dalahi sahunai hadunara. Susudo loro honik kota huda husahuda hagunara. Si sada na tada dan hunai kasahuda tadla. Si sona di tasade de laita na tasano tu kadara. Larahani tu sade kasahunai tu dalahia sunada. Si sada to loro hunai kasara hunai tatarahunai tatanahina. Tarahi sahuda kunada dahana de tatasunada.
Dari no ko tarahon ito susunod na di jonada larawanara. Women, firewood means I is furnace. Stop lying. Every time you do, I make more. Wave and any kinds.